Hi guys, Jeremy here and welcome to the GoHighLevel tutorial. In this video, we're going to dive into what GoHighLevel is, explore its key features and benefits, and see how it compares to other platforms. We will also walk you through the sign-up process and finally take a look at the different subscription plans available. No matter if you're a marketer, agency owner, or have a small business, this video is going to help you understand how GoHighLevel can transform the way that you manage your business. But before we get started, I have a special offer just for you. Normally, if you go through the GoHighLevel website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, just as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers a ton of features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you are going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you are going to get them for free, just simply as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. To begin, let's first talk about what GHL is. So GoHighLevel is a marketing and client management platform that combines various tools such as CRM, funnel building, marketing automation, appointment scheduling, and more, all in one place. It's designed to help agencies, small businesses, and marketers centralize their processes, save time, and drive better results. If you're managing leads, setting up marketing campaigns, or scheduling appointments, GHL brings everything under one roof to keep your operations running smoothly. GoHighLevel comes packed with features that make it a unique and powerful solution. From CRM and funnel building to email marketing automation and reputation management, GHL provides everything needed to run a business effectively. Now, the main benefits of GoHighLevel are that it's easy to use, integrates well with other tools, and is more affordable than buying separate tools. For example, instead of needing to pay for a CRM, an email marketing tool, and a funnel builder separately, GoHighLevel gives you all of this in one place. Now, this saves you money and makes things simpler by managing everything from a single platform. Imagine having to manage multiple subscriptions, logins, and tools just to keep your business running. Now, that can be a lot of hassle. And with GoHighLevel, all of these features are integrated, which means that you have one login, one platform, and a consistent experience across all of your marketing needs. Now, unlike other marketing platforms that focus on a single aspect like email marketing or funnel building, GoHighLevel offers an all-in-one solution that combines these features and more, making it both convenient and cost-effective. It's often considered a direct competitor to tools like ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, or HubSpot, but offers a more comprehensive and cohesive approach. This means that instead of switching between different platforms and dealing with compatibility issues, you have everything that you need in one place, which ultimately helps you deliver better results for your business or clients with less effort. Now that we have a solid understanding of what GoHighLevel is and its benefits, it's time to dive in and set up your own account. Now let me be clear on one thing right away. GHL is not a free platform. You will need to pay for your account. To sign up for your brand new GHL account, simply click the link in the description of this video. And once you click the link, you'll be directed to the GoHighLevel homepage. Now here, you will find a button that says 30-day free trial. Click on that button to start your trial. Now once you click the button, a pop-up will appear with two steps. Now step one involves entering your company name, your full name, email address, and phone number. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Go to Step Number 2 button. Now, Step Number 2 is all about selecting your plan and setting up payment details. You'll see two plans, the high-level starter plan for $97 per month or the high-level unlimited plan for $297 a month. Now, if you're looking for more value and more features, I recommend starting with the high-level unlimited plan. But don't worry, we'll go into more details about these plans in just a moment. For now, just select the plan that best fits your needs and enter your debit or credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, 3-digit CVC code, and your zip code or postal code. Now, once you've entered all that information, click on the Start Your 30-Day Free Trial button, and you'll officially begin your trial. After setting up your account, you'll be guided through the onboarding process. Now, GoHighLevel makes it easy for new users to get started with a series of prompts and walkthroughs that help you set up your workspace. Now, during the onboarding, you'll learn about customizing your workspace, adding your branding, and connecting key integrations. Now, don't worry if it feels like a lot. Each step is designed to help you get comfortable with the platform, and I'm going to guide you through it in detail. Now, let's take a closer look at the two main subscription plans that are offered by GoHighLevel, the starter plan and the unlimited plan. Now, the starter plan costs $97 a month. This plan is great if you're just getting started and you need the essential tools to grow your business without getting overwhelmed. With the starter plan, you have access to all the core features that GoHighLevel offers, which means that you're going to be able to capture leads, nurture them, and convert them into paying customers. You'll also get tools like funnel builders, email marketing, appointment scheduling, and more to help you grow your business in an organized way. Now, this plan also allows you to create up to 3 sub-accounts, which means that you can manage a few clients or different aspects of your business all from one account. Now, this is perfect for smaller agencies or small business owners who want to keep things simple and organized without spending too much. Now, the unlimited plan costs $297 a month, and it gives you access to everything included in the starter plan, plus a lot more. Now, this plan is perfect for businesses that are looking to grow fast or for agencies that manage multiple clients. With the unlimited plan, you get API access, which means that you can connect GoHighLevel to other tools that you may already be using. Now, this makes it easier to integrate everything and have a smooth workflow. Now, one of the most significant advantages of the unlimited plan is that you have unlimited sub-accounts. This means that you can manage as many client accounts as you need, all under one subscription. Now, this feature is ideal for larger agencies that work with multiple clients because it allows you to keep everything organized without having to pay for each client separately. Now, imagine being able to manage all of your clients from one place without the headache of multiple logins and different systems. That's what the unlimited plan offers you. Another great feature of the unlimited plan is the branded desktop apps with custom domains. This gives you the ability to make GoHighLevel your own by adding your branding, including logos and custom domains. It means that you have complete control over how the platform looks and feels for your clients, making it a more professional experience for them and enhancing your agency's brand image. Now, if you want your clients to see your agency as a high-end professional service provider, the branded desktop apps are a fantastic feature that can help you achieve that. Now, to sum it up, choosing the right plan really depends on your business needs. If you're just starting out and you want a cost-effective way to get all the essential tools that you need, the starter plan may be the best option for you. It's affordable and it has everything that you need to get started with capturing leads, building funnels, and staying organized. On the other hand, if you're planning to scale your business, work with multiple clients, or simply want more control and advanced features, the unlimited plan offers a lot more value and flexibility. It's designed to help you grow without limitations, giving you the tools you need to succeed at a higher level. And that wraps up our Go High Level tutorial. I hope that you found this video helpful in understanding how Go High Level can elevate your business operations. Remember, if you want to explore Go High Level for yourself, don't miss out on the special offer that I've mentioned. By using the link in the description, you are going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you'll gain access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course designed to guide you through getting up and running smoothly within the time frame. As a bonus, you'll also receive my premium Notion templates, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, these are worth over $900, but you are going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials. If you have any questions or thoughts about Go High Level, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep growing your business.